So how do you turn these into these?
Bryte Products has partnered with Draw It With Me to bring you these new rock character tutorials. In this particular video, we'll tailor it to beginners or those new to rock painting. But we'll also showcase some intermediate and advanced options. We're glad to have Christie with us, who will handle most of our painting, and also our special guest, Halle. Let's begin.
Clean your rocks with warm water. Be sure to scrub off all the dirt and dust, as paint doesn't stick to these surfaces all too well. Our next step is to paint the rocks a solid color that relates to whatever character you have in mind to produce. We'll be using acrylic water-based paints similar to those available in Bryte Products rock painting kits. Give your rock at least 2 coats of paint if you want it to appear vibrant and opaque. Some colors go on thicker than others, so they may require more layers. As all rocks are shaped differently, choose rocks that complement the type of character or creature you intend to create. To get started, you'll need some additional supplies: water to rinse your brush when switching colors, paper towels to clean up any spills, scissors, a pencil, crayon, or marker to draw your characters.
So first we're going to start right up here. We're going to do a little line like this. And at the bottom of that line, we're going to swoop around, make kind of an S shape to the bottom. There you go. And that can swoop off to the side there, at the bottom. And then grab the other side of her hair here and bring it around. Swoop around and to a point to meet that other line. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and then on the other side, we'll go up a little bit and make a circle for her face, just like that. Good job. And then we're gonna give her some eyes here, so little arches, right there and right there. That's good. And then a little dot for a nose there, and a little arch for her mouth. Good job. All right, and then on the other side, we'll bring her hair swooping around here and around. And then draw a line here for her tail. If you need to turn your rock, you can go around too. Come a little bit closer, bring your rock right about here. There you go. All right, and then her tail, her mermaid tail, is gonna come off the rock, and we're actually going to put an accessory tail on there. So that's just great. All right, bring the bottom side around. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do it on a 3D object, isn't it? That's good though, that's a good start. All right, and then here we're gonna have her shoulder come around like this, next to her hair, there you go. All right, and then seashells or seaweed or whatever it is she wears, okay. Got that? Okay, and then you can draw the side and her arm there. That's awesome. I like your mermaid. Okay, and then we'll finish off this hair by swooping it around the rock here and meeting at the bottom, just like that. Good job. All right, and I think we have our mermaid. What do you think? Was that easy enough? Yeah, all finished? Awesome, I love it. Check that out. Very good, we have our mermaids. Awesome, good job, Halle. Thanks for joining me.
Okay, so I'm going to start with my purple brush because it's a little thinner, but you can pick whichever one you want. What do you want to start with? You want to start with skin, hair? What do you want to start with? Hair, okay. So what color are you going to do your hair, Halle? Okay, dark blue. So let's go. I'm going to do dark blue too. I think that's a good idea. Nope, you can just put it in dry. Yep. And then we'll start with the hair. And you can color over your lines or you can go in between your lines, whichever you prefer. And if you mess up, the cool thing about these paints, we can let it dry and paint right over it again. That looks so good. And if you have too much paint, you can just keep spreading it around. It's not a big deal. Or you can put it on really thick and it'll just take a little bit longer to dry. But either way, it will work. And if you need some help, I can help you out. Oh, that looks so good. And at home, you can do whatever color hair you want to do. You don't have to do blue. You're done with the hair? Okay. I'm a little slow, so just 1 minute while I finish the other half of her hair. That looks so good. And if you do it too thin, you can always go over it with a different coat, another coat, second coat. Or if you want it thin, you can leave it and let the light blue come through behind. All right, so what do you want to do next, Halle? Should we do the skin? Okay, so let's rinse your brush. Let's get your blue off. You don't want blue skin. Well, unless you want blue skin. You can have blue skin if you want.
If I only had blue skin, I would rather do white.
That is true. We're gonna do that blue too. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my brush out too. All right, and after it's rinsed out a bit, I just like to wipe it on a paper towel and get it dry. Okay. So it goes on faster? Oh, that's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this skin color. And if you don't have kind of a fleshy color, you can make one by mixing colors. You can put like a little bit of orange with white.
I can't really see anything.
I know, it's kind of hard to see, huh? And if you color, yeah, you can go over your face. You don't have to leave the marks, because we can paint those on after. Fun thing about painting is there's no right or wrong way to do it. So I'm gonna leave my marks so I kind of know where I'm going. And then, do you want to do her skin down here too, her belly? So maybe just right there, kind of her neck area. Yeah, and then we'll put her seashells on top of the flesh. You can just do the best you can. She's gonna look amazing no matter what you do. Good job. I just do my skin down here. Very good. Did you get some blue on? You can always go over it too. Good job. Yay! Okay. Do you like your mermaid? Okay. So now we're just going to hold up our mermaids. You hold it up and show the camera over here and smile. And this one. They look cute. Good job, Halle. Okay, so we're gonna put that one up here out of the way. Good job.
I was thinking for mine, like those, to put on those.
Okay, you
I
can go
wanted
to
to
town
do
with
two.
stickers. And I'm gonna give you, we need a mermaid tail if we're gonna do a mermaid.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter in my hair.
I want to put these on
Seashells, that's a good idea.
so they look a little bigger.
Oop.
There we go.
If you get a big
My
glob,
seashells.
spread it in.
My shiny seashells.
That looks good. Everybody, look at how beautiful her seashells are. And you want to put a flower in her hair too?
Actually, yeah.
So I'm gonna make
It
her
looks like
hair
I'll do the
all blue
I want
glitter.
to do the shiny one. I'm gonna do shiny. I want to do it even. I want to put a flower in her hair.
Okay.
And
I think I'm
want
gonna
to
put
do
a
the
flower in my
shiny-
hair too.
I want to do the shiny one. I want to do this shiny.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have our rock painting results. Remember, if yours doesn't look exactly like ours, that's okay, and expected actually. Everyone creates differently. Embrace that. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.